how to find the best rental flat. How can you optimize layouts and furnishings to get a guaranteed high rental income? My colleague Alexander from the development company Square One introduced me to one of their projects in the Old Town of Limassol. He showed me an apartment in Sequia Residence and shared valuable insights about investing in income-generating properties in Cyprus.
This is a two-bedroom unit, 65 square meters with about 15 square meters covered veranda. We have different units. However, by knowing how to work with smaller spaces with studios, we have learned how to optimize and make layouts more efficient. If you look at traditional two-bedroom units in the center, they're about 85 square meters. Translated for 5,000 euros per square meter, it's around 400 plus 1,000 cost of the apartment. At Square One, we cut away the unnecessary square meters, optimizing the space, meaning that we take away the 20 square meters, making the two-bedroom unit 65 square meters. We're saving our investors about 100,000 euros in costs upfront. However, we still maintain a very competitive rental rate. So this unit at 65 square meters will be on the market for rentals around 2,200 euros per month. And you will notice that doing the math, the ROI is about 2% stronger than what you would have on an average market offering.
Are you delivering the apartments turnkey, fully furnished?
We have that option. Standard, I would say that our apartments come as finished, so floors, windows, everything's installed. Other than that, we offer our clients packages if they want to choose with that, depending on their strategy. Some want to have the turnkey solution, some like to participate in the design and the choosing and so on and so forth.
Do you offer a parking space or storage with this apartment?
Yes, with traditional apartments, we offer both a parking space and a storage space included in the price, of course. We collaborate with Moving Doors, which helps us offer our clients, our investors, turnkey solutions from acquisition to management. Moving Doors is basically taking you from furnishing to staging to doing professional photo videos to making sure that it's distributed on the correct platforms, and obviously managing any maintenance that needs to be done. So that translates to the investor having the ability to sit back, relax, and make sure that every month he's getting his return.
What is the highest rental yield I can achieve if I'm going to manage the apartment myself and the rental process?
So if you are to take it to do it under your own management, you could see somewhere around 9 to 10% ROI.
Who are the tenants of the apartment like this?
So it would be young couples, young families. It would be foreign specialists that are relocating to Cyprus because of the proximity to the center and all key infrastructure. The market trends are now showing a higher demand increase in affordable living while maintaining comfort.
As a foreigner, what is the tax you need to pay for your rental income?
So, as a foreigner, obviously we're taking away the VAT of the acquisition. We're talking about income tax. Now, if you're renting out the apartment that is coming down below 19,000 euros per year, you're obviously not in the bracket. However, once you start, 20 to 20,000 and above, you start paying income taxes.
Buying a new apartment like this, are you eligible for permanent residency scheme?
Yes, the main key here is to pass the threshold of 300,000 euros. You could do it by acquiring a smaller unit like this at 283 and furnishing it to get that threshold to 300, or just buy an apartment that's 300 plus, and that way you will be able to apply for permanent residency in Cyprus.
Is it fun to live in the Old Town of Limassol? Do you have a good infrastructure?
There's a huge amount of activities to be done in the old center, from kid clubs that do sport-focused education, from traditional gyms, from cafes, restaurants, shoppings. Everything, if not by walking distance, is only a short 5-minute ride away.
If you are interested in investing in the Old Town of Limassol, I recommend you learn about Square One's projects. Their office is located in the heart of the Old Town. They will help you choose a property, invest in one of the projects under construction, manage the rent, get a high yield, and find a commercial space for your business. See their projects and contacts in the video description. So, do you want to live and do business in Cyprus? Please write in the comments. If you need help moving and starting a business in Cyprus, feel free to message me. See you soon in Limassol.